Don't make this silly mistake with your robot, in detail. When it comes to building and using robots, there are certain mistakes that can easily be made if one is not careful. Here are some common mistakes that people make with their robots and how to avoid them. Number 1. Over-reliance on automation. While robots are designed to automate tasks and make our lives easier, it's important not to become too reliant on them. Always have a backup plan in case the robot malfunctions or isn't able to complete a task. Number 2. Lack of maintenance. Like any machine, robots require regular maintenance to operate effectively. Ignoring maintenance tasks can result in malfunctions and breakdowns. Number 3. Improper programming. Robots need to be programmed correctly to perform tasks accurately. Programming errors can cause the robot to behave unpredictably or even damage itself. Number 4. Ignoring safety precautions. Robots can be dangerous if they're not used correctly. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines and train anyone who will be working with the robot on proper usage and safety precautions. Number 5. Not considering the environment. Robots are for specific environments, and using them in environments they're not designed for can result in malfunctions and even accidents. Make sure to choose a robot that's appropriate for the environment in which it will be used. Number 6. Choosing the wrong robot for the job. Not all robots are created equal. Make sure to choose a robot that's designed for the specific task you want it to perform. Number 7. Failing to plan for the future. As technology advances, robots are likely to become more advanced and sophisticated. Make sure to consider future advancements when investing in a robot, as choosing a robot that becomes quickly outdated can be a waste of money. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your robot is a valuable tool that helps you achieve your goals safely and efficiently.